Eh dito sa confidential fund, walang ganon. Walang ganon. Kaya, the circular must be very, very strict about the use of confidential fund. Kasi kayang-kaya gamitin eh. But you know what what is going on in my mind? Itong si Sara Duterte, kasi, remember, mayor yan sa Davao eh. Di ba? And she was mayor when her father was president. And a mayor can ask for confidential funds. Hindi ganyan kalaking 600 million, Millions din. And I think that as mayor of Davao, siyempre, siga sila ron, Duterte sila, they just take the confidential funds. No questions asked. Wala nang audit yan. Kinukuha na lang yan. In the crudest way I can put it, binubulsa. Ngayon, itong si Vice President Sara Duterte, apparently to me, nasanay sa Davao eh. 6 years. Kuha lang ng pera, confidential fund. Nobody asks. Di ba? O ngayon, naging Vice President. It happens. Kakampi niya yung Presidente.
Okay lang.
And then she learned, meron pala ditong ganitong kalaki. O sige, kunin mo na. Okay lang. So kinuha niya. Ang problema, she did not spend it properly naman. Kasi siguro yung ugali niya sa Davao na kinukuha lang niya yung pera and pocketing it, I think it permeated up to the office of the Vice President and the DepEd. That is what happened. Kasi nobody could account for the funds eh. Saan pumunta yung 612.5 million na yan? Nobody knows. Di ba? Yung COA, ang daming flinag. Sinabi lang, hindi pwede yan for desk. Hindi pwede yan for chairs. Bawal yan eh. Hindi pwede yan for reimbursement. Bawal yun eh. Bawal yan under the circle. Kaya, ang kaya lang sabihin siyempre ng COA, it's non-compliant. No, these are technical terms. That was why I was stating in the beginning, I wished that the prosecution could have been more graphic and a bit, dramatic lang na konti, to be able to project that hundreds of millions of money, people's money, are being taken and pocketed by this official who is now under impeachment. Yun ang kailangan na ipresenta eh. That is what, sa bagay, in fairness to them, hindi pa naman tapos.
Now na dito, iginiit na ng mga abogado ni Vice Presidente Sara Duterte na walang katiwalian sa naging paggamit ng confidential funds. Ayon kay Attorney Michael Poa, handa silang patunayan na malinis ang Vice Presidente sa kabila ng mga seryosong bintang.
Well, the defense team is not here to lose, hindi ba? So, binuo kami, we only have one target. It's not just to win, but actually to show the general public and the people of the Philippines na walang katiwalian, na walang katotohanan sa mga ikangay katiwalian na binabato sa ating Vice Presidente. And when we talk about vindication, last year, diba, tinatanong kami, do you feel vindicated with the Supreme Court decision? Kami mismo nag-admit na hindi kasi wala pa tayo sa merits. So maybe only that time will the Vice President feel vindicated, no? And that's what we're here for. We're here to protect the rights of our client, and we're here to show the evidence, to present the evidence, to test the evidence of the prosecution, and to show the Filipino people na hindi korap ang ating Vice Presidente at walang katiwaliang ginawa ang ating Vice Presidente sa kanyang termino.